quick review of our hotel room, the Kempinski Hotel in Muscat, Oman. This is the hallway leading into our room. You can see this beautiful wood frame over some of the sections, and our room is 5004. This is the Royal Wing, room 4 on the ground floor. This is their key here. You pop it in here and you push in. That's a little bit different than other hotels. And to the left you have the master controls and all the lights, and you have a very spacious walk-in closet here. As you can see, we have our shoes and sandals and everything is lived in. You have one closet area for the man and an extra one over here for your 2 full-size luggages, additional things, extra linens, storage on top, middle, electronic safe, and the bottom. These are soft close, so they're pretty cool. Over here you have some linens and laundry bags, some tools. You have your slippers at the bottom there, and you have a coffee station, complimentary water for your teas and things like that, instructions on how to make teas. These are soft close. Your tea station amenities here. Oop, that was not soft close. You have your teacups. Is this soft close? Yeah, it is. I don't want to slam it. And glasses. Soft close there. And extra storage at the bottom. Over here you have a fridge. Those are ours. These are going to be paid if you use them. Okay. Nice piece of art on the wall here. And over here you can see the rest of the room. To the left you have a nice inbuilt full-length mirror. Very nice. As you can see here, it's flat, built into the marble wall. Very nice. And here you have your flat screen TV, your work desk, okay, various ports, remote control, phone. Of course, there's a magazine with a little desk light, leather chair, very nice, and your various drawers here. Okay, for your pens, pencil, things like that. Over here you have your big beautiful bed, king size, very nice. 2 end tables, nightstands on both sides, a little footrest thing here. Those are always cool. Various controls here, charger, and here is your reading light. These things are pretty nice. They are leather wrapped. Very cool. The headboard here is leather, wood, solid wood, and fabric. Very nice. It's classic but modern at the same time. Over here you have notepad, pencil, controls again, the phone, 2 complimentary waters. So you actually have 4, and you have this little pomegranate thing with a QR code for, you know, additional amenities that you might want. This drawer, you have an emergency flashlight, and you can put your various things inside. Okay, so let's take a look over here at our bathroom. Okay, but first, see this full-length window here. I wouldn't even call it a window, it's a whole huge pane of glass to the outside. This would be our own balcony. To open it up, you have your little electronic, actually a little security latch there. Let's see, how do I open it? Okay, yep, there's a little lock right here. You push out, and here is the outside. Nice plant. Beautiful balcony looking at the 24/7 pool. That's the first one that we see in these types of hotels. Any hotel actually. And here is the pane of glass from the bathroom looking out. Okay, let's go back in. Alrighty. Oh, it's a lot cooler in here. Alright, so here's another look at the rest of the room here. Okay, and let's go into the restroom so we can see. Here we go. Very nice long counter. Lots of towels. Oh, and these are branded towels. Kempinski. On the left side is your shower. Standing shower with Ferragamo amenities. Very nice. Little soap holder on the side. You have your controls right there, handheld units, and the drain at the bottom. Very, very nice. Over here you have your toilet. Everything's marble, unpolished marble, which is fine. Goes with the motif. Alright. And here you have your various amenities. Salvatore Ferragamo, dental kits, hygiene set, shaving kit, nice little body lotion, branded. This is very nice. I'm gonna take it home. Alright, hand towels, of course. And here's your tub. And the view outside, you have shades at the top. You can actually roll them down if you want some privacy. And you have a handheld water spout there too. So yeah, this is a very nice and spacious room. Oh, let me show you the hotel plan here, the floor plan. We are here in this room, and it's with the balcony. As you can see, it's the equivalent of 2 of the regular rooms. We got a free upgrade on this one, so it's pretty cool. Initially I thought it would be too dark, not airy, because it's on the floor, ground floor, and you know, not looking out at the beach and whatnot. But this is a very nice and airy room. I mean, you can go back in here, and from your tub see the outside, and over here, floor to ceiling panes of glass. I mean, what more do you want, right? Yeah, that's what the outside of the hotel looks like. And that's the main atrium, the main kind of lobby. And on the bottom, it's like a coffee lounge area. And yes, that's the pool right there too. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that is it for this quick video. Let me go ahead and zoom out here. There you go, ultra wide, so you can see more of the room. Here we go. This awesome couch, huge couch. 2 or 3 people can just lounge out and relax. There's 2 chairs on the outside as well, and a table. So yeah. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. All right.